Hello and welcome to the C lecture. Into the last lecture, we have completed simple if with this program, into which we have checked value of a given by the user is greater than 10 or not. But into that, if user will give greater than 10 value, then only we can get the answer. Now, if we wish the answer in both the case, means if the condition is true, then also we have an answer, or if the condition is false, then even we wish the answer. For that we have to use else keyword, and we are writing printf /n a is, if a is not greater than 10, then it may be less than or equal to 10. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here we are giving 60, so we have an output a is greater than 10. Again Ctrl F9, we are giving 7, so a is maybe less than or equal to 10. So again it's true, 7 is less than 10. Again we are running the program with Ctrl F9 and we are giving 10. So we have an output that is a is less than or equals to 10. So in all conditions we can have the output. So this is known as if-else portion, if-else conditions, into which if the condition will true, then true part will be executed, and if the condition is false, then else part will be executed. Thank you.